Hello, it's Kate here. Callan Guy of Happy's Pawb. Happy Halloween, everyone. Our story today is called Superbat. Are we all ready? Barod? It was the middle of the day and Pat the Bat could not sleep. He was bored of hanging around like a normal bat. He wanted to be special, like the superheroes in his favourite comics. And then it hit him. Pow! Pat had a great idea and set to work. It was not easy using Mum's sewing machine and his wings kept getting in the way. Keep the noise down, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But after a couple of hours, his outfit was ready and Pat became Superbat. Wow, there he is. When the other bats woke up, they were all surprised. I'm Superbat, said Pat. Wow, said his friend Eric. So what are your superpowers? I have super hearing, boasted Pat. So do we, his friend screeched. Good point, muttered Pat. All the other bats gathered round to see Superbat. Can you lift a car with your mighty muscles? Asked Eric. Or shoot laser beams from your eyes? Added Frida. Well, no, said Pat, his voice wobbling a bit. But I can fly. He leapt into the air. We can all fly, the other bats chuckled. What else can you do? Pat tried to think of another super skill. He felt like every bat in town was staring at him. He was very nervous. I have echolation, which means I can find my way in the dark. Ha ha ha, the bats all laughed. That's nothing special. We can all do that too. Pat trudged off home. His wings drooped. His ears flopped. He did not feel special anymore. I'm just a normal bat in a silly outfit, he sighed, trying not to cry. Oh, poor Pat. Just as Pat was about to rip off his suit and cape and throw them away, his supersonic hearing picked up a faint cry. Help! On the other side of town, a big bad cat had trapped a family of mice. Pat's wings spread out. His ears perked up. He bravely flew across the city as fast as his little wings would carry him. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? I think it's a bat in a funny little costume. Here he comes. Pat swooped in like a blur of fur. The big bad cat took a swat, but he missed Superbat. Pat dived down again and flapped his wings really fast. Wham! And scared the mean moggy away. The mice were free. You saved us, they cried. Thank you. But who are you, masked crusader? My hero. Pat smiled modestly. Me? I'm no one special. Oh, yes, you are, cried his bat friends who had followed Pat across town and seen his heroics. And you do have a superpower. Courage. You truly are a Superbat. And as Pat flew back to the Batcave for a good day's sleep, with his friends behind him all the way, he really did feel rather special. Oh, I enjoyed that story, everyone. I hope you did too. I shall see you soon. Hwyl fawr. Bye.